Dear researcher, in this video, I'll show you how to detect or how to calculate common method bias by using Harman single factor test. So let me share my screen. So nowadays, actually, in any of your research articles or manuscript, so maybe some of the researcher or some of the reviewer want to see that your data is free from common method bias. So today we'll see common method bias by using Harman single factor test. Let's go in. So if you see what is common method bias, you can see like common method bias occurs when variance is attributed to the measurement model instead of construct. Common report self-reporting survey can inflate or deflate relationship between variables. So Harman test is a basic check for common method bias. There are other tests we'll see later on, but today we'll see Harman single factor test. How we do Harman single factor test? Harman single factor test is an explanatory factor analysis or EFA techniques to detect common method bias. All items entered into unrotated factor analysis test whether a single factor emerges or one factor explains most of the variance. There are some decisional rules for Harman single factor test. Check the total variance. If first factor is less than 50%, no measure common method bias concern. If first factor is more than 50%, potential common method bias issue. So note, threshold sometimes set 40%, but 50% is widely used. So how to perform Harman single factor test in SPSS? So I will show it later on. Just these are these steps. Analyze. You need to go. So let's go to SPSS for the practical. So this is my SPSS window. So you can see in my SPSS window, first of all, you need to go to your whether data view or variable view, no matter. So when you put your data in the SPSS, you can go to analyze. Then directly you can go to dimension reduction from here. And from dimension reduction, you can go to factor. So when you go to factor, you will find this kind of window. So give all of your variables, all of your items. Items means, like I have here 5 variable for 5 construct. I'm giving all the item of the construct as a variable list. So I have entrepreneurship education, social entrepreneurship intention, blah, blah, blah. I put all the variables item here. And then what you need to do, you need to go descriptions. So in description, you just click initial solution. So we need to do anything here, just to go to extraction. So in extraction, it is very important. So you need to select principal component analysis or PCA. There are also principal access factor. No, we'll go to principal component. And then correlation matrix. And then you can click screen plots, unrotated factor solution. And here you can give the number is 1. Okay. And a maximum iteration for convergence 25. And then continue. So now you need to just give okay. So when you give here, so just go to total variance explain. So first in the first row, see initial variance percentage. What is the initial variance percentage? It's like 48.574. So our threshold is 50%. So we can see common method bias is not issue for our data set, right? Let's go to the presentation. So how to perform, I already mentioned how you perform. These are the steps. Analyze, go to a SPSS analyze, then dimension reduction, add all measurement items, extraction, principal component, unlock rotated solution, check the variance explain, Chabil, right? This is the, there are some limitation of Harman single factor test, but this is the very basic test you can do for your research. So in next video, we will see other methods for common method bias, like marker variables, DIF, and other methods. Thank you very much for having with me. If you like this channel, please have a subscribe for getting new videos about research and much more.